The problem with the amygdala is this: it cannot tell the difference between a tiger chasing you or a teacher calling your name. It cannot decipher that difference. So when you think people might judge you, this is what your brain does. It sends a signal: danger, danger, danger. So that's why you feel the sweaty palm, the racing heart, the tightness in your chest, the shaky voice, because your brain thinks it's protecting you. Now, here's the interesting part. The prefrontal cortex, on the other hand, which is the part that is responsible for logical thinking and thoughts, is still developing in teenagers. So what this means is emotions often speak louder than logic.